This tutorial review will show you how to convert horizontal video to vertical on mobile without any application. So as you can see a horizontal video, now let's see how to convert it to vertical. Open your browser and type here rotate video online and open this second website onlinevideocutter.com. Tap on open file and all you have to need, just select the video from your gallery, tap on choose, and it may take some time to upload the video. Once it's uploaded, tap on this right option or left option to make the video vertical, and now tap on save, and here we can see video is vertical now tap on save. Tap on save, tap on download, and I'm gonna opening my files app. And here we can see the video has been successfully converted to vertical. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.